Kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, a homegrown, original Kapampangan business that is really growing and nakikilala na po siya outside Pampanga is the Simply Donuts. This is their second time po na ma-feature dito po sa Where in Pampanga. And of course, the first one was really exciting and surprising, no? Nagpadala po sila ulit para matikpan natin ulit at maalala natin, di ba? Aside from the donuts, meron po silang bagong line of product which is yung panaderia breads. If you notice, meron tayo ditong cheese de sal and pan de coco. Tikman muna natin yung kanilang mga pinadalang donuts which is really appetizing. Napakaganda ng mga kulay, and if you're just with me guys, grabe ang sarap ng amoy. So you gotta try them out para po matikman nyo rin naman yung kanilang mga donuts. So again, congratulations, no? Simply Donuts. It's a homegrown Kapampangan brand that is really getting to get known, no? Banda South, Manila and Bulacan. So let me try this one. Look at this. Oh man. Hindi ko po alam kung anong pangalan nito, but I think it has parang lemon custard, some icing, chocolate drip. Look at that. Cheers! This is perfect for merienda, an afternoon snack. Pwede rin naman silang pang dessert. Yun guys, so let me just leave that donut for a while para matikman natin yung mga ibang breads nila, like this cheese pandesal or the cheese de sal. For a while, this has been really trending, and we believe, according to our orientation with them, they claim to be the first ube cheese de sal to produce dito po sa Pampanga. Right, tikman natin. Ube cheese de sal natin, sobrang lambot ng bread, number one. Number two, it has ube jam still. So aside from the flavoring ng bread natin, it still has an ube jam plus a strip of cheese. So get that native kakanin plus yung medyo maalat na cheese. That's a perfect combination. Next, I really wanna try is yung kanilang mga, this one, I think this is s'mores, no? This one, I think this is s'mores. Ayan. So it has torch marshmallow and then of course more chocolate on top. Nga pala, by the way, before we continue, and I would like to, congratulate them kasi they have been running in the business for more than 5 years. So congratulations po, Simple Donuts. Keep on improving, keep on inspiring other, Kapampangan business na lalo pang magtagal. And yun guys, if you're interested to do business with them, make sure to check them out. If you're interested to do franchise, yun, make sure to message them. So let's try this one. What a lovely treat. I think this is gonna be the last one. I'm gonna be having this right here. If you notice guys, yung box na to has, I believe this is their premium donuts, no? Ito yung mga premium donuts nila, and medyo dito ako talagang na-excite sa mga, sa itsura pa lang, sobrang, look at that, di ba? Sarap, di ba? Okay, let's taste it. Amazing! So yung pinaka-base pa ng donut natin has parang na-dip siya sa chocolate. Ganyan. So guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, make sure to check out this menu we're gonna be presenting. Ayan. Order na po kayo dyan. Thanks so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, stay safe and God bless. Bye-bye.